Good morning. Hello and good morning. I'm Classics and Sports Cars vlog channel. I'm down here in Hastings of morning. They've got a small car gathering here. It was here yesterday or Saturday, and today's Sunday, the 12th of October 2025. Just going to have a look around. It's a few classic cars here. It's part of the event week. Do subscribe to my channel, please, as all helps long run, and do try and like the channel if you can, please. Also, do apologise in advance if there's any overheard volume of anything, or do happen to fall over. It's just the way it goes on my channel. MJTD 1952 here. The poppy on the front. Got Triumph Herald and a J-Reg. $13.60 says on the back. I'll come in with their modern car.
Morning, I really like it. Yeah, that's right.
We've got a nice wood dash in it. A Triumph, that is. Good few cars here this morning. Yeah, that's an MG. Alfa Romeo. The blue Sunbeam. Two-door boot version. People walking the dogs as well. Morris Cowley, Bullnose. I think. Picnic hamper on the back. Another Alfa 2000. Oh, yeah. Riley, not Wolsey, but only Riley, a four-door. Little Mini. GT. Mini Scamp. Minivan. Mini pickup from 1961 to 1983. Bixell's Mini Club. Nice Cobra sport seats in it. And they've got nice Sparco sport seats in theirs.
Yeah.
And that's small Wolseley, that is, yeah. And another one next to that.
Key breeder plant, which is family looking for.
Yeah.
MG sports car. And Morris Minor next to that. And cream colour. The MG. Little Mini. Ford. A really old thing that is. Past some curious cars here. I think they were here yesterday. Route 60 television series this is from. The Messerschmitt thing.
It's in the dashboard, it plugs into a plug. And they say that on the floor,
Oh, look at what's doing over there. Ford Escort, so probably 1300. Triumph GT6. Pick up their thing. It's fallen over. Yep. Thing had fallen over. Pick up your sort of thing that it had fallen over. Oh, I picked it up, put it against the bumper. Come round here and have a look. The Triumph Herald. It's a roadster with the very swish sports seats in them. They're very nice, they are.
You've got footage of this car just about every meet you go to.
Yeah. Have very nice seats in them. They really do. They're the leather seats in them. They're the market one of the Vitesse Overdrive. A huge American car here. Dodge. Huge thing. 1959 from North Carolina. That's a Ford Anglia 100E. A few people about here. Got a Jaguar here in dark blue. Daimler B. And that's Chevrolet Corvette from Texas. The Roadrunner car. With American flag, of course. Three-wheeler. It's a mini car. It is a mini car. Cool. We've got some trucks here as well. And next week, Sunday, there'll be just trucks down here in the same place in Hastings of the Stade. We've got 454 Corvette, Stingray. In black. We've got a few trucks parked up the back here. Chevrolet. We've got about three. There, two. There's the other one. Me. Jaguar there. They always look like Aston Martins in the semi-wide. This one's for sale.
Yeah,
I don't know.
Basically, all the setbacks.
Around.
The biggest one.
It's 1954 Elvis. They've got theirs for sale too, but no. I think they want 24k for that. If you're interested, call him. 24k they want for the American car. Oh, we've got a shattered window on that. A Hudson. Super 6. They're not going to paint it. No. No chance. Matrosimka. The stuff in the back.
Honestly, it's a game changer. So
Another one for sale, 5,200. That's an MG.
Oh, and the car. Oh, well, I thought it was 40 to do it. I do know, I was looking for you.
Got the shades on. Morris Marina in blue. Trump Stag in white. Vauxhall Velux. Doing some work over there. Whitefall Capri. Ah, you know whose car that is? You know whose car that is? The owner of the Bexhill Car 100 Club. We've got the Hastings RNLI boat over the back there. That's the Stade Hall there in East Sussex. Black Capri injection, that's a 2.8 injection. That's leather seats and materials too. Caro seats and sport seats.
Can't do it from here.
And they've got a car den here again today. They were here yesterday. So now I know of another YouTuber was doing video here.
It's sort of like well loved Elsies, I'm afraid. It's great.
One by Sapphire. Oh, look, jigging away.
There's only in there.
Something different. For amusement means.
Stop.
Morgan. And the other side, the look. Bridge of South though, to Armstrong Sidley Hurricane. South. Something different. Big car they are. Classic poppy on the front. Another Triumph Stag in red. Cortina. Like a grey silver. One side to the other, Riley. MG in red.
Well, look, I've got to pay for the one that I inadvertently didn't realise I had to pay for it yesterday, so let me pay for it now.
Aye. Just in.
Pointing the background clear.
Yeah. Oh.
Too many people.
Ah, yeah, I know. That's a problem. That's a problem I find as well. Oh, it's a nightmare.
Do you? That's cute.
MG. They're selling. No, they're not. They're selling theirs, but it's just facts on it. On that car. The MG. Round and see. Yeah, that's one we saw months ago. Simcoe, that was. And the stuff in the back. Right.
It's a shame it all turns.
Supermarket club. Right, folks, that's really about it from here. Just a short, small car gathering here at the Stade in Hastings. So do subscribe to my channel, please. This all helps. I'm not sure if I'll be at any more car events this year because it's near into the winter now. So if he's still around, still alive and kicking, it'll be next year, as he says. Because car events close near to winter time in the UK. So say goodbye from Hastings. It's a lovely and quaint town, it really is. We'll lift up there, and hopefully to see someone, anyone out there again very soon. Hopefully do a few more more videos very soon again. So